Hello, my name is Robert. I'm a tax attorney, and I'm going to explain to you how to tell when a tax settlement firm has messed up your case and how to fix it. And recently, we're getting more calls about this than before. And here are some signs your tax debt case was mishandled. Number one, a lot of time has passed and there is no result. Now, settlements can take a couple of years. Most of those are self-employed settlements that take that long. But if you're just getting into a payment plan or currently not collectible status, your case should not be taking years. And a lot of people are just finding out that nothing was done on their case when they paid someone to work on it. Number two, you keep getting assigned new representatives or contact persons at the firm. Some tax relief firms have huge turnover and your case sits in queue between people changing. So could be new case managers if they use case managers, could be new powers of attorney, and this also ties into one where the case can just keep lagging on and on. Someone recently told us they had over 15 people that they were in contact with at some point on their case, over 4 years of nothing being done. Number three, you receive an offer in compromise rejection showing you clearly did not qualify for an offer in compromise. So you'll get a letter basically saying you do not qualify. And a lot of people don't, but settlements still get submitted because they get overpromised by salespeople at a lot of tax relief companies. So a lot of people are finding nothing got done on their case for a long time, and then now they got their offer rejected and they paid to get an offer, and there was really no chance at all of them getting it, and now they're just getting a payment plan they could have done themselves. And that's a sign that your case was mishandled. And there are settlements where there may be a good shot of acceptance and then something changes that makes it not get accepted. Tax attorneys, other people are going to submit settlements that get rejected, but at least most tax attorneys are going to submit it with a good faith shot at it getting accepted. Number four, redundant resolution for more fees. For example, audit reconsideration, then submitting an offer in some situations. So an example would be you owe $100,000, but you think your audit was wrong. Okay, your audit's already been closed out. You can maybe get an audit reconsideration that would lower it to $50,000. Okay, either way, you qualify for an offer in compromise. So you actually are better off in some of these situations to just file the offer and not do the audit reconsideration, because if it gets accepted anyway, and the formula is based on your ability to pay, not really the amount owed. And we recently saw a situation where the tax relief salesperson said, we'll do an audit reconsideration first, then do an offer. And that person was going to owe either way. And that's just kind of making more work to make a larger fee. And that's not a good way to go. Okay, so how do you fix it? You figure out what your best option is and proceed on resolving it. You may want to seek out a refund from the company that did your case incorrectly. And if you incurred additional penalties, interest, or other costs, you may be entitled to more damages. And if you want to contact us, we are getting quite a bit of inquiries about this and putting it together for a litigation attorney to look at. So you can contact us if this happened to you, and we can try to help you with it to get the additional damages you are due. If really there was not much damage besides your refund and you can get a full refund, you might be good with that. A lot of people promised a settlement may not be getting one. And that's just a reality people need to understand. You may have paid for a settlement. You may have been told you were going to get one, but a lot of the time your best result is a payment plan. And unfortunately, if you would have called somebody else like us, I might have just told you right away, hey, it's a payment plan. If it's not so clear, we would have looked at your financials in more detail and then told you. But right off the bat, a lot of the time I can tell people, this is not a settlement, it's a payment plan. Here's how you do it, and we're done. Because, it's not really worth it for us to do extremely basic payment plans on a lot of cases. Also, you can check out our informational video below on tax relief and how to get it to see what option might be best for you. It's good to take a fresh look at your situation, and it's also possible that your financial situation is different than when you initially hired the company. So you may have a better chance at a settlement now. You may have less of a chance at a settlement now. So check out that video link below and you can see your options. If you're not sure what to do, get a free consultation. You can call us at 888-515-4TAX. That's 888-515-4829, or go to trp.tax/start. If we cannot help you, we'll tell you and point you in the right direction. If you're going it alone, check out our free tax help guide by searching TRP Tax Help Guide on Google. If you need a question answered, just comment on our YouTube videos and a tax attorney will answer.